Hi guys, it's Tanya M and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a wig review from a company called Queenlife Hair. They sent me a 22-inch 13 by 4 lace frontal unit. They did send a headband or a lace melting band with this unit. This is what she looks like. She is described as a 99J color. She is more burgundy for me. 99J is more darker. But either way, this wig is so fabulous. Oh my gosh. When I recorded this wig last week and I've been wearing this unit. You're gonna love this unit if you decide to get it. Of course, all the links will be posted in the description box along with some coupon codes, as well as they do have coupon codes on the website. She comes with 2 combs, one in the back and 2 in the front, and this bra strap ties, like I call them all the time. This is what she looks like on. I've already done a little bit more plucking. The hairline was perfect, but I wanted to do a little bit more plucking for my liking. So I've done that already. I've done my ball cap method and I've tetted the lace. So what I'm going to do here is, as you can see, the lace is overlapping my ear. So we're going to cut the side of the lace down so that it fits behind my hair, my ear line, or so that it fits behind my ear. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the extra lace off. And that's this way, when I glue the wig down, the hair can be put behind my ear. And it'll be comfortable for me as well. So I did that to that side. I'm going to go ahead and do it to the left side. So I like to cut the lace off before I apply my lace glue. I do this with like an eyebrow, like razor, I believe it's called. This one is dull, so I prefer using a dull one. So I just take my old eyebrow razor because a sharp one, you can run the risk of cutting your skin on your face, and you don't want to do that. Your skin on the face is really delicate. So I'm just cutting it. I do it in sections, that way I don't mistakenly cut past the hairline, and I make sure that I get every little bit out of it. So the video that I recorded, or the portion I recorded with the lace glue, it wouldn't upload, but I basically apply 2 layers of the Ebin Supreme lace glue, or wig lace glue, or lace holding glue, however it's said on the bottle, but it's the bottle with the gold cap. So I did 2 layers and I applied the lace, and then I'm just basically doing touch up. So wherever the glue didn't cover my forehead and the lace needs it, I'm doing touch-ups like that. So after the lace is laid, I'm going to take my Ebin lace melting spray. That way the lace will blend flawlessly into my skin and you won't be able to see it. This lace is really good, by the way, guys. I really recommend this wig. Again, there will be coupon codes in the description box. Guys, don't also do not forget to visit my Instagram and my TikTok channel, where I'll show more reels and photos of the wig. I also have a beauty brand, 1111 Beauty, where I showcase, or I sell 100% real mink lash strips. So you need to get yours to complete your look. And I also have a website, tanyam.bigcartel.com, where I sell wigs that I have already reviewed. So if you want some wigs at a discounted price, go ahead and visit that website. So right here, I'm just creating a side part. I wanted to do a deep side part with this unit. And I just love the way it's like so long, so like Black Mermaid. Like, this is the perfect red for women of color, dark skinned women. And yeah, so I'm just creating a deep side part. I'm just parting it and then a flat ironing so I can get the flattest lay possible. Not flat iron. What is this called? A hot comb. I always do that. If you're a regular viewer of mine, you know I always call the hot comb a flat iron. But we're just flattening out the top of the wig. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull out the baby hairs that I'm going to be using and go ahead and snip those off. So that I can go ahead and prep them to be laid. I'm just taking some foaming, like wrap foaming mousse, and then swooping them. I don't show it, but I do put my scarf on to lay the baby hairs. And yeah, so that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that install of this Queenlife hair 22-inch 99J unit, frontal unit. This is a 13x4 unit. She's a 180 density for that length, and the frontal, it is $237, which is a good steal for a pre-colored wig. Of course, I will post the link down in the description box along with any extra discounts that you'll receive. The lace melted super easy. She is big head friendly. I got a medium cap size. My head is smaller, but I always receive medium cap sizes and I make them work. I decided to do this cute side part, as you saw. The hair quality is great. It's really silky, so it's no like yucky texture to it. It's really, really silky and soft. I was so impressed by what I received. I was happy. I was like, yo, this wig is really, I don't really have to do much to this wig. Of course, she's pre-colored, so you don't gotta bleach the knots. I tinted the lace to match my complexion, and that was really it once I applied it. But yeah, I 100% recommend this unit. It's something that I feel like will last a long time. I did do a little bit of plucking, but you didn't have to. This wig will work out just fine. It will last. This is one of those wigs that you know will last the whole year. This is one of those quality wigs that you want to invest in. It will last a long time. If you have any questions about the wig, any other questions regarding the quality, you know, cap size, whatever else, just comment down below and I always get back to you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram and my business page, 1111 Beauty, where I sell 100% real mink lashes like the pair I'm wearing now. This is the style Bella. Very, very full, very fluffy. Go ahead and check out the link below. And I also sell some of the wigs I had to have reviewed on tanyam.bigcartel.com. And you guessed it, the link is below. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay blessed. Bye.